Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna tell you how to start a healthy relaxed hair journey. At least I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks to start your healthy relaxed hair journey. Okay, so first of all, the first thing that I want to say is you can't just want to have healthy hair. We're gonna have to work for it. So I get like a lot of people in my DMs asking me like, yeah, how can I make my hair be healthier and things like that, like give me some tips and tricks, like give me your secrets. And I'm like, there's no secrets, like you have to do this, that, and this and that. That's what I do. And they're like, oh, that's a little bit too much, I don't know if I can do all that. Do you want healthy hair or not? So that's the question that you have to ask yourself first. Okay, so the first tip that I would give you is to start to learn how to do your hair yourself. Because think about it, like it's your hair, you're the one that's gonna be taking care of it every day and every week, every wash day. Like it's your hair. So other people, if you go like to a hairdresser every week to take care of your hair, like it's not gonna be the same thing because it's not their hair. We are always more protective on things that are ours. I don't know if that makes sense, but for example, like my mom, she used to do my hair and my hair was healthy when she was doing my hair, but when she was combing my hair, like she didn't take care of starting from the bottom then gradually like go up. Like she was like combing it like everywhere. But when I learned how to do my hair myself, like I really took care of detangling, like first at the bottom and then work my way up. So it's like little things like that that you think about it when you're doing your hair yourself. So I know that lots of y'all are gonna be like, but I don't know how to do my hair myself. Well, another tip that I can give you is learn how to do your hair with YouTube. Like this helped me like so much when I started my healthy relaxed hair journey. I don't want to say healthy relaxed hair journey, but for me, I just wanted to learn how to do my hair myself, and that's how it got healthier. But yeah, with YouTube, like it helps so much. You search and type like best products for relaxed hair, best shampoo for relaxed hair, how to dry relaxed hair, how to do things like that, and it's really gonna be helpful. But a thing that I want to tell you is when you're for example searching for a good shampoo, don't stop after like one review. If someone says like this shampoo is very good for me, don't just go and buy this shampoo based on this person alone. Like go and search more about this product first before buying it, especially if it's an expensive product. So what I would do, I would like search for example a conditioner that's good for relaxed hair, and if someone like says I love this conditioner, I would go and type this conditioner and read and watch like all the reviews that was on YouTube first before making like a decision if I wanted to try it first on my hair or not, because hair products are expensive. Like so yeah, watching reviews, like watching YouTube is very helpful, not only for products reviews but for hair technique as well. So when I wanted to know how to dry my hair, like I now have my own roller set method, but that was based on like different person techniques that I combined to do my own that worked for me. So don't be afraid like to combine techniques from other people as well to see what is gonna work the best for you, for your time, like the time that you have on your wash day, the time that you have in the morning to do your hair. So yeah, don't be afraid to combine and to test. Obviously you're not gonna find like the right products and the right techniques on your first try, like let's be honest, but at least like you're gonna try and you're gonna know what's good for you and what's not good for you. Another advice that I can give you based on that is to be patient when starting something new. Before seeing results, you always have to be patient, and it goes as well with hair. If you want longer, thicker, healthier hair, you're not gonna see it like in a week. Like it's gonna take some time, and maybe like you're not gonna see right away. It's with comparing pictures that you're gonna see the difference. So that's how you're gonna see, oh, my hair has grown, oh, my hair is really getting healthier. So yeah, really be patient. Like don't be frustrated, take your time. This is like a must, really important. So yeah, based on that as well, track your hair journey with pictures. So I have a video with my full relaxed hair journey. So I was tracking like every step when I was, especially when I was transitioning, to see like the growth of my natural hair, because I really couldn't tell like when looking at it, but when I saw like the different pictures and videos, I was like, oh, okay, yeah, my hair did grow. So track your hair journey with picture. It's gonna be like really easier to see the comparison and how much your hair has grown, how much it has thickened, or whatever your goal is. And after that, what I can say as well is, I know this is like the most difficult one, but it's really helpful, and it's really important to have healthy hair, natural or relaxed. It's to avoid, or at least minimize, direct heat on your hair. Direct heat is like the enemy. Even if you use a heat protector, like even if you use that every day or every week, if you straighten your hair or curl your hair or whatever you do with your hair that makes you use direct heat, like your hair is gonna suffer from that. So yeah, I know it's gonna be difficult, but there is lots of heatless hairstyle that you can do. So if you really want healthy hair, minimize direct heat. That's really important. And also what I can tell you is to stop comparing your personal hair journey to someone else's hair journey. So for example, I got lots of people asking me like tips and tricks on how to grow their hair like mine, and I'm like, your hair's not gonna be like 100% like mine, because we're not the same person. So do what works for you. Like I give tips and tricks, and I show my techniques, and I show the products that work for me, but it may not work for you. So don't just follow like one person, follow like multiple person, and try like their products that they like to use and their technique, and you're gonna see like what really works for you. So yeah, keep that in mind. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Like let me know if you want me to do like a part 2 that's gonna be like maybe a little bit more in depth. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comments so I can answer in the part 2 of that video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe, to share with all your friends, and yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye guys.